Is it only the years that count? Or how big is your production plant to be a global player? Is it the amount of pressure or how high the temperature is needed to last? It's not the scale. It's not the numbers. They're already there. But the question is actually bigger than that. It is what you need to be. It's about technology. It's about innovation. It's about the future. Manufacturing precision needs precision. Manufacturing the best needs energy, power, balance, endurance. It's all about details. Details that lead to perfection. It's about being sure. It's about control. It's all about knowledge. But is that enough? Manufacturing for the whole world needs passion. Passion to be better. Passion to make stronger. Safer. Passion to push limits. Passion to be the leading technology provider. It's what brings dedication to development. It's what takes innovation to the next level. It's the passion for technology that makes us deliver quality all over the world.